Dementia is a common health concern, with 1 in 11 people aged 65 and over across the UK living with the condition. The number is set to increase as people live longer, with the total number of dementia cases in the UK expected to reach more than 1 million by 2030. The progressive disease impacts a person's memory, can cause erratic behavior and even robs a person of their personality. There is currently no cure or known cause, but early diagnosis allows for a treatment plan to be put into place to help patients with their worsening symptoms as they gradually become severe and difficult to manage. With Bonfire Night around the corner, a charity has issued a warning that those with dementia may be triggered by the traditional celebrations taking place on or around November 5th. According to Dr. Hilda Hayo, Chief Executive Officer and Chief Admiral Nurse and Dementia UK, fireworks can be particularly for those with the condition. She told The Express, "It is quite common for people with dementia to become distressed by firework displays, which can be upsetting for the individual, family and friends. Distress is often caused by a person's inability to communicate something they are trying to express, such as anxiety, disorientation or fear, so it's important we speak slowly and clearly to them when trying to reassure them and explain what is happening, as well as listening to their concern." The doctor adding that the sound of fireworks can cause distress to those who suffer from hallucinations. Some, but not all people living with dementia also experience hallucinations when their brain misinterprets information it receives from their various senses, she said. This can trigger traumatic memories from earlier in their lives and is more common in people who have served in the armed forces or emergency services. To help those with the condition, as well as their loved ones, prepare ahead of Bonfire Night, Dementia UK has shared some tips. Explain what time of year it is and ask them about bonfire nights from their youth, they suggest. Stay close by to help provide reassurance if they need it. Turn the radio on or play soothing music you know they like. Close the curtains early to shut out any flashing lights, or, if they like fireworks, keep them open to help the person see the source of the noise and light. And check with neighbors to see whether they are planning to let off fireworks. If you need support or advice, contact Dementia UK's free helpline on 0800888 6678 or by emailing helpline@dementia.org. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages.